Oh, hey, what are you doing here? You know it's late. I don't want Slender to get mad. Oh, he saw me walk out. Yeah. Oh, I, didn't know. I'm, fine. I'm, just, a little upset. Nothing to worry about. Promise not to tell anyone if I tell you what's wrong. Oh, okay. No, well, kid, I've, been really upset and I don't think I can handle it. Kid, what are you, are you hugging me? Aren't you scared I'm gonna rip your kidneys out? I want to tell you, I really do, but I don't want to vent. That'll only make my situation worse. I'm really sorry. How much more persistent can you be? Just leave me alone, okay? Why though? I can't take it much longer. Please. I don't want to break down. Not in front of you. You know too much about me and I don't want to make things worse for you. God damn it, kid. Do you ever just leave me the fuck alone? God damn it. Please, don't tell anyone about this. Especially not Toby, okay? I don't know how he'll react. I'm just having a lot of past regrets. Regrets, yeah. I bullied so many kids and let's not, a, pointless question, but can I have another hug? Please. I just really need it, kid. Alright, come here. Right there. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I don't want to act like this, not in front of you. Tell you about my past. I don't know. I can. If you promise not to laugh if I, start to cry. Promise, okay? Alright, I'll tell you. Back when I was younger, there were these, group of kids, and, they would, pick on me. So, to get back at them, I, decided to bully them more than they bullied me. And one day, they went too far and they told me that it was a heartless little freak. Someone that no one could trust. Can you trust me? I'm so scared. I know, but I, I'm so sorry, kid. Anyways, so this group of kids, they came to me one day and with a knife, and they pointed it to my throat, and when I tried to scream for help, they took it, the knife, and they stabbed me in the chest. Oh my god, I'm being so pathetic. I am sorry, I just really can't help myself right now. It hurts so much to talk about, you know. So anyways, these groups of kids, after they stabbed my chest, they thought I couldn't feel anymore. So they stabbed my right eye and then my left. And they took my eyes. Oh, God damn it. Not again. Oh, jeez. Please don't tell anyone else I was crying. I know it doesn't seem bad, but it is for me. It's embarrassing. And then Slender found me all stabbed up. He took me in, kid, like he did to you. He took you in after you got hurt. That's what he did to me. Oh God. My tears. They're just like a fucking river. Why can't I just control myself? I'm so pathetic. But anyway, so after somebody took me in, I went out and I stabbed them 47 times in the chest and then took their kidneys. So sorry. That's all I can talk about right now. But before you get any more mad, can I ask you a question? Yes? Can you, keep this between us? I don't want anyone else knowing that this happened. I'm a little scared about what they'll think, and Toby, just thinking about him and how he reacted, it hurts. And I also have one more hug. I just really need to get all this pressure off of me somehow, and the only way to do that is through crying, so, the rain is starting to clear up. Look at that. Well, please just come here and give me a hug. I'm so terribly sorry. I am so sorry for making you sit here and listen to me. You shouldn't have put yourself through this. You didn't have to. I'm so sorry for the breakdown as well. I love you so much. Thank you for being there for me. Even though I'm this heartless murderer you can't look up to. Thank you. talk to Slender about it. Yeah, I think that would make me feel a bit better. Come on, let's go and thank you so much for this. I needed you. Please, don't leave. No matter how stressful things can get, please just don't leave me, okay? I just really, really want you to be with me forever. Please don't ever leave. You won't. That's a relief. Come on, let's head inside and talk to Slender about it. I'm sure he can help. Thank you so much.